Breaking news at 7 o'clock. Health and Human Services Secretary Tom Price stepping down amid an investigation into his use of private planes. Those flights funded with taxpayer money.
And he offered to pay some of that money back, but tonight he's still out of a job. 7's Brandon Gano at the breaking news desk with more.
Hey, Johnny, on yet another member of President Trump's administration is out in only his first year in office. The president campaigned on draining the swamp, but tonight scandal has claimed yet another member of his cabinet.
Health and Human Services Secretary Tom Price has resigned just days after it was revealed the member of President Trump's cabinet had racked up a $500,000 bill for using private planes on overseas trips paid for with taxpayer dollars.
I was disappointed because I didn't like it, cosmetically or otherwise. I was disappointed.
The announcement came less than an hour after the president hinted he would have a decision on what to do with Price tonight. In his resignation letter, Price said in part, "I have spent 40 years, both as a doctor and a public servant, putting people first. I regret that the recent events have created a distraction from these important objectives." And this was the president just moments before Price offered that resignation.
I don't like to see that happen, and I think it's a shame because as a human being, Tom Price is a very good man.
Yesterday, Price apologized and offered to write a $51,000 check to the federal government. Apparently, that wasn't enough to cover the damage. Some saying the political damage is what the president was most concerned with after several of his cabinet members had been accused of traveling in private planes on the taxpayers' dime.
I don't like to see somebody that perhaps there's the perception that it wasn't right.
Now, meantime, the White House is considering adopting new oversight of administration officials' use of private planes. In the newsroom, Brandon Gano, 7 News.